welcome back to Brick Reviews UK. Today we've got a very interesting set. We've got this one here, which is a set which I got recently from the well-known Temu, and it's by a company called Brick. Never heard of them before, but this is like the maintenance garage. It's got a massive sticker on there, so let's put it the other side there. And it's basically a garage to put your cars in. So it's just a little diorama for your favourite car. And don't know what scale car that'd be. I'm hoping it's speed champion size. But yeah, so it's just an interesting set there. Which of course don't do anything with Lego like that. So anyway, what's on the box? Right, something I can't read, and even the sticker over it's in German. Obviously made in China. What does it say on here? Simple, round, steady. Okay, right. Let's see what we've got inside. Plastic bags, obviously. Don't know what that is there. Oh, a little sticker sheet. Minimal stickers, as you can see there. Yeah, I mean, what bags we've got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I mean, it doesn't really matter how many bags we've got. We've got the instruction booklet here, and don't know what the gold star's for there. That's gold circle, sorry, star. Where did I get that from? Right, it's another one of those ones where it goes grey, as you can see once you've done it. Oh, there we are. I thought it was a bit weird. Oh, there we are. That's the first steps there. So yeah, so go through there. Let's bring us down a bit here so I can see it all. Yeah, I think it's just steps. Is there parts list on there? No, just pictures again on the back of what it looks like when it's built. Right, let's see what the bit quality is like. Let's grab a bag. Don't put the number of the bags. There they are. Yeah, 1 of 1, 3 of 2. Yeah, I just about to make them out there. So, 1 of 1. Let's see what you're like. Tend to undo it off camera. Scissor time. What we got in here? Basically unmarked bricks. They go together. Oh, blimey. So, they're quite tough at taking apart. Yeah, they snap together really well, I must admit. A bit too well. Is there such a thing? Yeah. That's a bit easier, but that's right on the corner there. But yeah, well, they seem quite good to me. Let's try this one here on the plate. Probably better get it off now. No, it's really tough to get off. So yeah, so looks like it's going to be a super strong build once that's all done. So what we do, we get on, put these parts back in here. Probably put in another bag because they're gonna go everywhere, aren't they? Yeah, but I was saying that's one of 1. Thinking about that, there was different plates in here, wasn't there? The other plates, which is an unmarked bag. So I presume that 1 of 1 is once you put these plates down, possibly. That's all. Yeah, okay. Well, that goes on to grey plates on there, and that's not in 1 of 1. So where is that one? Right, this could be fun. Fun. Yeah, quite a few of the bags are not actually marked. 3 of 2 is marked. 4 of 2. 2 of 1. 2 of 2. Ah, see, there we are, another bag which is unmarked. Naturally is open. Right, yeah, might be easier just to separate all the colours, possibly, but we'll see. We'll give it a go to start off with, and if it is causing a few issues trying to find them, we'll separate all the bags off into colours, the old Lego way. Right, let me crack on. Back to you very soon with this all built up. Welcome back. Right, the garage is all built. Oh, fantastic looking thing. I said this came from Temu, so it's really surprising. But it's such a good little thing. As you can see, we've got the there's a tyre thing there. That's for putting tyres on, I believe. This thing here, and we've just got a workbench with tyres underneath there. Little engine there and trophy and etc, etc. And on this side we've got like a roller shutter door, and there's another tyre machine there. This is one's for balancing the tyres. So yeah, and we've got a trolley jack there and some more tyres there. So it's just like a tyre workshop. Now, as you can see, there's that hasn't got a hoist in here. There's obviously this pretends obviously where the hoist would go up, but the actual size of that is Speed Champion size. So there we are. We put the Lambo in there, and you see, perfect fit for the Lambo. I'll try and lift this up so you can see. Try and hold this for you without it falling over. But yeah, you can see fits in well. Obviously with the door as well, the entrance door. Let's pull it back there. There we are. Yeah, see, fits well, and the tyre sizes. Let's put the Lambo down there. These tyres come off, but yeah, I mean, look at that, perfect size for them. So yeah, so Speed Champion size, definitely. Very big budget build, but still very enjoyable. The brickwork on here, slightly different shades of sort of creamy white, but hey, for the price of it, what can you expect? But yeah, thoroughly enjoyable little build. Nothing like that which Lego do at the moment. But yeah, so have a look out for it on Temu. I try and find a maybe not link to it, but we'll try and get a link to it. If not, I'll give you some pointers where to find it, because yeah, make an ideal diorama for your Speed Champions, which this will be for mine. Don't know which car to put in it, possibly the Lambo. But yeah, right, that's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe, more to come, you know the jazz. Bye bye for now.